Welcome back, students. So we have completed the prose Dancing in the Rain, and now it's the time for tasks. The first task is to note down the words which are underlined in each slide and write down their dictionary meanings. So look at the words from the first slide. Prevalence, employed, inhumanity. Prevalence, employed, exposed, inhumanity. Weed this malice out, anecdote. Weed this malice out is an idiomatic expression. You have to write down the meaning of this idiom and then anecdote. Then you have reputed, then curiosity, headlong, metropolitan, aspiration, apathetic, circumstances, straitjacketed. Metropolitan, aspiration, apathetic, circumstances, straitjacketed. Indicator, malaise, ensuring, stamped out, explore, potential. Ensuring, stamped out, explore, potential. Inherently, blinkered, recognition. Inherently, blinkered, recognition. Enormously, empowerment, blossom. Then vulnerable, dictate, radiant. I repeat, vulnerable, dictate, radiant. So this is your first task. Apart from these, if you come across any other difficult word while you read the text again, you can write down the meanings of those words also. But please make sure that you read the lesson aloud. The next task is annotations. There are a few lines given from the text, like first one is robbing children of their childhood is a criminal act and our society must weed it out, must weed this malice out from the root. The second one is, when I look at children, I wonder whether they have time to play with friends, to meet interesting people, to explore the world and to follow their curiosity. The third one is, Gandhiji said that the greatest lessons in life are learnt from children, not from learned men. And then the last one is, India will be radiant when our children are free to dance in rain. So these are the few lines which are taken from the text for your annotation. What do you mean by an annotation? Annotation is a critical explanatory comment or analysis. So here are the lines which you read which are given from the text. You need to explain them in your viewpoint, making an analysis, okay, giving a critical comment, a thoughtful comment about the lines given. So how do we do the annotation? Look at the format of the annotation. Annotation comprises of introduction, context, explanation and critical comment. So these are the four components of an annotation. So in the introduction, I have taken the first line, that is robbing children of their childhood is a criminal act and our society must weed this malice out from root. So here in the introduction we write down the title, we give the title of this prose and the name of the writer and one or two lines about the writer as shown in the slide. Okay, these lines are taken from the text from the prose article Dancing in the Rain, written by Azim Premji. His speeches and article on education are insightful and inspirational. So this is what we write about the writer, his idea behind writing, what is so motivational and inspirational about his writing. That comes in the introduction. Then we have context. Context is a surrounding or environmental background of the text, like in what situation, what is the relevance of these lines in the text. So here the above said lines reflect, what do they show? Actually they reflect the grief of millions of children who have been losing their precious childhood just because of the present education system and apathetic individuals. So what is the scenario of the children, what they are suffering, and what is the main cause of their suffering? It is the present education system and the indifferent attitude of parents, teachers and society. Then we have explanation. Here we give a detailed account of what the writer is trying to say in the prose. The essay depicts the excessive burden of children. The pressure abolishes physical and mental growth in them. The most disturbing fact is that the children from poor localities are hired by selfish industrialists in the Zari factory. He further says that it is a serious crime to deprive children of the God-given childhood. Azim Premji asserts that we must eliminate this evil from the society. So he is explaining the present condition of the children, how their physical and mental growth is stunted because of the various, adversity, various burdens put on their shoulders. And then the last one is critical comment. This is your viewpoint. What is your inference on the given lines from the text? What is your opinion? So Azim Premji emphasizes the fact in this essay that parents in urban society are compelling the children to be in the rat race for marks. So what is happening in the urban society for the children? They are put to a rat race for their score, and on the other hand, the downtrodden children of poor community are employed as child labor and deprived of education. So this is the condition, this is the prevalent situation of the children in the society. So that's all for today's students. I hope you enjoy your task. Thank you. Have a nice day.